decide to stay here. And so we are going to be doing RW and PW 154. Don't really need a whiteboard right now. So we'll just discuss the answers and you can write them down, okay? So this is a problem-solving skill involving reading a table. So what is the name of this particular table? That's right, Arts Festival Schedule. And the various events are, you want to read them with me? Sing-along, puppet show, concert, and ballet. And it shows you when each of those begins and when each of those events ends. So our job here is to answer the questions down below based on this chart. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. I've got my nifty, swifty little clock here. Let me get my table, I'm just being so lazy. So let's take a look. We'll go down to number 1, and it does tell us use the table up above to answer the questions. It says Jack will watch the puppet show. How long will the puppet show last? This is involving elapsed time, right? It starts, it ends. How long did it last? So go up to the puppet show. The puppet show started at 10 a.m. Let's go to 10 in the morning, a.m., right? That would be back in the old days when we would be lining up, going outside and having snack recess, right? And it's over at 11 a.m. That would be a great recess, wouldn't it? 10 to 11, how many trips around? 1 hour. So just write 1 hour. You see how to write hour down up there in number 4? It says 2 hours, just take off the S, okay? 1 hour for number 5. Number 6, it says Caroline is dancing in the ballet. How long will the ballet last? So go to the ballet. It starts at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. It ends at 4, from 1 to 4. There's 1 trip, 2 trips, 3 trips around. 3 60-minute trips will be 3 hours, right? From 1 to 4 would be 3 hours. What's 4 take away 1? 3, same thing. It's another way to get it. 4 hours. Okay, so go to the next page. You have a new table. This table is a museum trip schedule. You've got the bus ride to get to the museum. Wow, that's a long, far away. The tour, your lunch, and getting to visit the gift shop. Okay, so number 1 says Byron's class is going to the art museum. How long will it take to get there? Well, if they leave school at 8 and they don't get there till 10, 8, 9, 10, that's 2 hours, right? So let's go to number 2. Mrs. Cole wants to buy some posters at the gift shop. How long will she have to pick them up? In other words, how long will her shopping trip last? Okay, the teacher says, okay guys, you can go into the gift shop. It's 2 o'clock, but you're going to be finished at 3. How long did she give you? Well, from 2 to 3 is 1 hour. Plenty of time, right? So number 2 is 1 hour. And question 3 says Samantha wants to go on the museum tour. How long will the tour? So go up to T-O-U-R, tour. It starts at 10 in the morning, recess time again, 10, and it goes to what? 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So 10, 11, 12, 1. 3 hours. 3-hour tour. The weather started getting rough. Okay. And then number 4, Bridget brought her lunch from home. How long will she have to eat it? Well, she can start her lunch as early as 1 in the afternoon, but she has to be finished by 2. Because at 2, it'll be time to go to the gift shop, right? 1 hour. So she's got an hour-long lunch. That's a nice amount of time. Number 5, Max wants to buy some lunch and a toy at the gift shop. How long will he have to do both? So in other words, how long will he have for lunch and shopping? Well, lunch starts at 1 and shopping ends at 3. So it's 1 hour to 2 hours. So he's got 2 hours, right? It'd be 1 hour plus 1 hour. So he's got 2 hours to buy some lunch, eat it up, go to the gift shop, hang out, be ready to get back on the bus to get back to school, right? Okay, so that's that. And next up, I'm going to get ready for your language, and you only have one more page to do in your packet that we're going to be actually doing together. If there's any other loose ends, you can go ahead and do that on your own. You don't have any book in front of you. Obviously, you haven't had one for a few days. So we're going to be kind of looking at that together, okay? The last page is called Wilder Times, and it's just going to be your creativity. I'm not going to tell you what you have to do because I can't. It's your choice, your decision, okay? You are going to be creating like a front page of a newspaper, and it will direct you for pictures to draw, articles that you can write, like headline, Pa and Ma lose Jack in the river crossing over to the other side, or just whatever you think a newspaper would publish about their adventure, okay? So I'll see you in a little while with that. We'll listen to the next chapter and then you'll do that page, okay? I'll see you later. Bye-bye.